Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting, creating a professional logo in Figma for 2025. If you're a designer, entrepreneur, or just curious about graphic design, this step-by-step guide will have you designing like a pro in no time. Figma is an incredible tool that's free, collaborative, and packed with features that make logo design a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Figma and start a new file. Go to the dashboard, click New File, and choose a blank canvas. This is your playground, so make it your own by setting the artboard size. Aim for something like 1000 by 1000 pixels for a square logo, which works great for versatility. Now, let's get creative with shapes. Figma's shape tools are your best friends. Select the rectangle or ellipse tool from the toolbar and draw out your base elements. For example, if you're making a simple icon, combine circles and squares to form a unique symbol. Don't forget to use the pen tool for more custom paths. It's perfect for intricate designs. Next, add some text to personalize your logo. Click on the text tool, type in your brand name, and experiment with fonts from Figma's library or import your own. Adjust the font size, spacing, and color to make it pop. Pro tip: use the auto layout feature in 2025's updated Figma for responsive designs that scale perfectly. Colors are key to making your logo memorable. Head over to the fill section and pick a color palette that matches your brand vibe. Try gradients or even vector networks for a modern look. Once you're happy, refine your design by aligning elements, grouping layers, and adding effects like shadows or blurs for depth. Finally, export your masterpiece. Go to the Export tab, choose your format, like PNG or SVG, and download it. You're all set to use it on your website, business cards, or social media. There you have it, your very own logo created in Figma. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips. What's your next project? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.